Hello everyone. Are you interested in earning money online? Today, I'm going to show you how to earn money with cricketfootballnews.com. Step 1. Open your browser and search for cricketfootballnews.com on Google. Step 2. Click on the first link that appears, and it will take you to the website. Step 3. Next, you need to log in to the website using your Google account. Step 4. Once you're logged in, you can post an article, images, or stories on the website. For every 1,000 views that your post gets, you will earn $1. So, the more views you get, the more money you'll make. The minimum withdrawal amount is just $5, and you can withdraw the money to your PayPal account. That's it. You can now start earning money by posting your content on cricketfootballnews.com. Remember, it's important to post quality content that will attract viewers and increase your views. So, make sure to put in the effort to create great content. Thank you for watching.